Excavator-mounted pile drivers are attachments that can be added to excavators for driving piles into the ground. These attachments are commonly used in construction and demolition projects. They come in various types, including vibratory pile drivers and hydraulic pile drivers. Vibratory pile drivers use intense vibration to drive piles, while hydraulic pile drivers use hydraulic pressure to exert force on the piles. These attachments are versatile and can be used for driving different types of piles, such as sheet piles and steel tubes.